where you use the Caliber dashboard to really follow the impact of an activity. I believe what is very useful is that we can select the brands that we want to compare us with, and that we can have different brands to compare with across different markets. To have a real-time tracker to actually be able to follow it instantly makes a big difference. It comes across very intuitive and user-friendly. Being able to kind of shape what you want to look into. The setup with both the brand and the reputation. Previously, we got a quarterly report, something that happened in January. We then knew in April how did that play out reputational-wise. And then, I mean, in April, we could not even remember what we actually did in January. Head of brand marketing might want to look into one thing because he might be running a campaign in Denmark, whereas we might have a media crisis in Finland that the chief press officer wants to follow. And how can we, by analyzing different events and efforts, see how it influence our brand perception, our reputation. So what can we learn? What can we do differently? That might be in tech, that might be how they do marketing in the business units, that might be how we answer the phone, right, in customer service. So I mean, our reputation, our brand perception is the sum of everything we do. The fact that we can add questions that are relevant and specific for how we want our target audiences to perceive Nets. So really digging into our purpose and see if that starts to resonate with target audiences. That is very useful. I believe that the fact that it's not only us and group comms that now know more about how different things influence our reputation, but that actually also top management and other relevant colleagues know much more about it is something that we will gain from. I have busy days, so this is about having on the mobile. I can check in the evening. So how did this and that go? That's one of the biggest benefits for me personally. I couldn't see any alternatives out there.